Wig Place, and today I am bringing you a review for Wig Studio One. Just a few reminders before I get started. Wig Studio One has an online support group on Facebook that we would love to have you come and join. The name of that group is Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Come on over and you join the group. We would love to have you. And they also have a coupon code that is good for 30% off of most of their brands, and that coupon code is Beautifulyou. So today I am wearing Seduction by Main Attraction in the color Espresso, which is a really, really pretty dark brown. Just a really pretty brown. If you are a dark brown, I'll just go ahead and describe the color. It is a medium dark brown with medium brown highlights. Now, the highlights are only visible if the light happens to catch them. It's pretty well blended, but this is a beautiful dark brown. If you are a brunette who likes your brunettes on the darker, going towards the darker shades, this is just a really, really pretty color and a new color for me to try. So I'm excited to get to try it. So let me do a turn and we'll look at her from all sides and then we'll talk about her specs. So this is my right side, the back, my left side, and then around to the front. So she has some layers in her. It's just a very natural cut, very natural style to the wig. Kind of a longer bob, but still goes above my shoulders. Now I have a 4-inch neck, so I do have a longer neck. So if your neck is maybe 3-inch, you of course would find her closer to your shoulders, but great manageable length for an everyday piece. And her cap construction is really great too. She is a basic cap, but she does have a lace front, which is really nice. So we will go ahead and get into her specs. Like I said, she has some layers up here. So the bang here in the front is 7.25. And of course, if you are someone who wants a shorter bang, I think you could easily achieve that with this, just snipping those bangs across there and, giving yourself a bang on this piece, which I think would be really cute. So easy to clip a bang into. So 7.25 there. She is 6.75 back here on the nape measurement. So like I said, she just stays right above the shoulders, which is great. And then the top goes from 4.25 to 10.75 from up here on the top, and then sides are 7.5 to 9.25. So like I said, there are layers going through here. So as you go down towards those ends, you've got some layering, but no layering begins there until that 7.25. So she doesn't have short, choppy layers up on the top. So really, really a comfortable, cute style. Now I will say what I had to do a little bit to her when I first got her out of the box, and I want to share this with you all because I want you to understand that don't give up on a wig because you pull it out of the box and you think, the style is not working. So I was having, there was a piece across my face, and I'll actually insert a picture right here so you can see, because I took a before picture of her straight out of the box. So there she is, straight out of the box. So you can see that one piece was just wanting to cut across my face. So all I did to rectify that problem was I just got the wig wet just with my hands. I didn't dunk it in the sink or anything like that. I just kept running some water through and just encouraging the hair to move away from the face a little bit. And what was actually happening is it was actually a piece from over here that was wanting to come over here too far. So I made sure that I got a good defined part here, and that really, helped solve the problem. So not a difficult problem to solve at all. I didn't have to steam it or anything like that. I just used some water, first worked with her with the wig on my head, and then took her off and put her on, just one of those wig drying racks, and it worked great. So don't be discouraged, if you have one that comes out of the box and it's a little crazy, it's a lot of times very, very easy to fix just with some water. So as far as her color, like I said, this color is Espresso, and it is a medium dark brown with a medium brown highlight running through it. Highlight, as you can see, every once in a while the light catches it and you can see it, but then it's not always super visible. So really, really pretty color, very true dark brown color, I think. I'm very, very happy with the color. I think it's really pretty. So Her cap construction, like I said, she has a lace front, which is nice. So there's your lace front going across there. And even though it's a dark color, I think the knotting is pretty good. You know, I'm not seeing a problem with the knotting at all. It's kind of expected, you know, they look just like what a dark wig would look like. I don't really see anything that stands out to me. Then you do have on that part, you do have, you know, since it has a lace front, you have lace going to back to about here, so you do have some appearance of scalp there, which is really nice. So really pretty. And then ear tabs are really good. They're sturdy. You know, they've got a good sized piece of metal that goes from there to there. I'm getting good coverage around my face. This is an average size cap, and it's a generous average size cap. So I think it would stretch up a little larger. I have a petite head, so it's kind of big on me. So I think it's a good cap that's gonna fit a lot of different people's, you know, a lot of different circumferences, I guess I should say. So let's look at it from inside here. So there is your lace front, temple to temple, as you can see, goes down onto that ear tab. Really nice, generous lace front. And then you've got closed lace up here, and you do have some permatease up here, but it's very mild. This piece still stays, in my opinion, within a lower density range. So you've got velvet, soft covered ear tabs there. You've got Velcro adjusters, which are great. Once you get those in your spot, just leave them where they, you know, where they need to be, and they will stay there. An extended nape that is also soft felt velvety material, and then open wefting, as you can see, all through the cap. So really comfortable, lightweight wig. I don't know if I mentioned the weight on this one is 3.8 ounces, but it just feels like nothing. It's super lightweight. Really happy with the weight of it, and just the ease in, you know, so since she's got that light bang, you're gonna have to kind of give her a shake, get those hairs where they need to be, and then after that, she is good to go. So let's take this color Espresso outside, and we'll look at her outside in the natural light. Okay, so we are outside with this main attraction, Seduction, in the color Espresso, out in the natural light. Now, right now I'm under the patio cover, so we aren't in the direct sunlight. But you can see how pretty this brunette is. And you can kind of see, I'm seeing those highlights just a little bit, but they're just very subtle and very well done, very attractive. Okay, we'll step out here in the sun. And you can kind of see how the hair moves in the breeze too, which is nice. Sun's coming in and out of clouds today, so very pretty color. Okay, we'll take her back inside. Okay, so we're back inside with this Seduction by Main Attraction in the color Espresso. So I wanted to make sure I showed this permatease on top because it is just not bad at all. You have to have some permatease up there to cover the cap when you have a basic cap wig, and there's just enough to give it some lift if you like, you know, to give it a little lift, and it actually looks pretty when you give it a little lift there. But if that's not your thing, she has, you know, a low enough density that you can just kind of smooth her off. But I do always like to tell people, in a basic cap wig particularly, you're always going to have permatease. You have to have something to cover that cap there. So, but it's very nicely done, and I'm just really happy with this line of wigs, and they're a very affordable line, which is really nice. So as far as styling, you know, you can do all kinds of things with her. I think one hair is still creeping over there. You know, you can, since she has a lace front, which is so great, you know, you can still, oh, I think my wig cap is showing there. You can clip her off your face, off the face, if you would like to, because you have that lace front, so you can always, you know, pull the hair back. She's really cute, pulled all the way back like this, and then these little layers in the front kind of want to, you know, sneak down, which looks very, very cute. Really cute like that. And then as far as, I don't really think she's much of a ponytail, but let's see here. She does have enough of a nape for a low pony. She's not going to be your high pony wig, but yeah, you could get She has an extended nape, so you know you can get a low pony. That's actually very sophisticated. I like that. Very pretty. That would be a great, you know, for work if you wanted to get the hair up off your neck in the warmer months or whatever. Still look very professional. So I really like that. So, and then of course, you can always throw in a headband. I always love a headband on a basic cap wig because if you are a little concerned about that permatease showing, although in this wig I don't really think it needs to be a big concern, but you know, it does give you a little added coverage there just to cover that up. So really, really cute. I'm really happy with this wig. It's very cute, very practical, and extremely comfortable. So I want to thank Andrea at Wig Studio One for sending me this wig to review today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this review was helpful. There will be a link below for purchasing this wig. And as always, until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.